Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. It's Labor Day weekend, Friday night. So tonight it's going to be all about easy, easy, easy. And this episode starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back. As I mentioned, today it's easy, easy, easy. We are going to make my 5-minute veggie chicken. What? 5 minutes? This will be quicker to make than it would be to order takeout. This is going to be so yum yum. Let's go over to the ingredients over there and check them out. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for my 5-minute veggie chicken. Have a can of diced tomatoes. We have a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder. I have a teaspoon of paprika. We have a teaspoon of cumin. We have a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, and a heaping tablespoon of chopped fresh cilantro, which some of it will be for garnish. And look at this beauty, you guys. This is a shredded whole rotisserie chicken that you could pick up at your favorite grocery store. My husband picked one up, I shredded it, and I have some delicious fluffy white rice in my magic cooker. Let's get to the stove, you guys. I'll meet you there and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm at the stove. I have my beautiful little pan. Now I'm going to grab about a tablespoon and a half of some VO juice, vegetable oil. Ooh wee, that pan is scorching hot. So let's drop our veggies. I forgot, you guys, we have a whole julienne tricolor peppers and a large onion, you guys. Ooh wee. Sorry about that. I forgot that in my ingredients. Alright, so let's stir these babies up. Ooh, this pan was hot, hot, hot. Okay, so now I'm stirring this up, you guys. One just jumped out. Oh boy. Alright, let's add of course, we're going to add our spices. We're going to add our salt. We're going to add our black pepper, our garlic powder, our paprika, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of onion powder, fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic, which would be 2 large cloves, and our tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. And we are going to stir this up. Normally I would add the garlic a little bit afterwards, but that's okay. We got the onions are julienne and the peppers, so it makes it pretty bulky in your pan, as you can see. And that gives the garlic a little cushion so it won't burn. Because nobody likes burnt garlic. It's very bitter. How awesome is this? You arrive home tired from work, you guys. You grab, shred your chicken, cut your veggies in no time. I mean, I'll let this simmer for about 5-10 minutes. You know, it's my 5-minute veggie chicken because it's so easy to make. It really is so quick to make. How beautiful this is. As you all know, let me show you, let me remind you, because I know you guys know how I buy my big bags of tricolor peppers. You guys remember? So I take it and I freeze it. I'll cut my peppers up and freeze them. The reason is sometimes we don't use our peppers right away. We don't like for them to go bad. So if it sits too long in the fridge. So you can use them whenever you like. You can do the same thing with tomato paste. If you open a can of tomato paste, 1 or 2 small cans, grab a little tray, a little ice cube tray. Great tip. Pour it in each little cube and you will have tomato sauce ice cubes in your freezer and it will never go bad. Alright, so now we're going to grab some white distilled vinegar. we are going to use tablespoon. There we go. Tablespoon. Yum. Vinegar's so yummy. I love it. I love working with white distilled vinegar. Now we are going to grab, guys, our can of diced tomatoes. This is what makes it so simple. But I like to use a can of diced tomatoes. It just almost, oh my goodness, it almost makes it start to look like when you're making a ragu. Isn't this crazy? Like when you start, although the thing is that I can't really call this a ragu because a ragu will take about 2 hours to simmer. So now, guys, we're going to grab our beautiful rotisserie chicken and we are going to pour it in here. I need to show you this. This is so cool. So delicious. My husband's going to love this, and so is my son. If you have a little piece of chicken with skin on it or something, that's okay. I usually take the skin off, but see, you got one little piece there, that's fine. All that's going to do is just build more flavor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish stirring this up. I'm going to let this simmer for about 5-10 minutes. I'm going to come back. We're going to look at it so you can see what it looks like, and you're not going to believe it, you guys. We are going to plate and taste. Wow, now that was quick. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. 5 minutes have gone by on medium. I forgot to mention. We'll simmer for 5 minutes. And you know what I'm going to do now? Oh my God, you're not going to believe it. For another 5 minutes, I'm going to crank it all the way to high. And we're going to brown it. It's going to reduce that liquid and it's going to brown. Oh my God. Watch. Look at this. So I'm going to stir it. And when I come back, it's going to be nice and brown. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. We've blasted it for 5 minutes. And when the juices are reducing, that's my interpretation of browning. See? Wow. Oh my God. I also forgot to mention, before I simmer it on medium, I put half of our cilantro in there. Of course, because I'm a flavor builder. I love to build flavors. And I also save some because I'm an herb girl, so I love fresh herbs on top of my meals. So now, you guys, I'm going to grab myself a plate, serve myself. Hey guys, I'm back and we are ready to taste. Yum, yum. Gosh, can't wait to show you. This is beautiful. Look at this. Try it. It's hot. I'm serious. This is really hot. The variety of peppers, the green, and then you have the yellow, which are sweeter than the green. It's just, oh my God. And then you have that vinegar, so delicious. All right, guys, here it goes. This is a big bite. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on a second. I'm fighting to get everything here. Okay, here we go. Look at the size of this thing. Got some rice in there, some cilantro, a beautiful yellow pepper. My God, it's big. Ooh, it's hot. Here goes nothing. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, that chicken is so juicy. Oh my God, and that pop of that tomato is so delicious. And of course, the freshness of that herb. I'm telling you guys, put fresh herb on when you make dinner, you put some fresh herbs on it, whether it's parsley, whether it's cilantro, depending on the dish you're making. What a difference it makes. But I have it down. Let me try it again, just to make sure. Let's grab a green pepper this time. Oh my God. The size of this piece. Wait, let me just lower this down. I can't fit all this in my mouth. All right. Look at that. Yum, yum. Ooh, it's hot. Hot. Oh my God. That, oh my God, so delicious. You guys, Sorry. The best part of this dish is how simple and quick it was to make. Wow, most of us, including myself, we work long hours, we work hard, and we come home tired, so tired. You can just stop on the way home, call your hubby or go yourself to your supermarket, grab yourself a rotisserie chicken, bring it home, chop up some veggies, just throw it in there with a can of diced tomatoes. Come on, you guys. And the rice is so simple to make. If you don't want to use rice, use cauliflower rice. It all depends. It all depends on if you have a specific meal plan that you follow. There's a lot of things you can substitute nowadays for. I'm Cuban, so that's why I make white rice. But I've made cauliflower rice several times. You know, it's the texture of it is amazing how it really actually feels like if you're eating rice. It doesn't taste the same, but or you can use brown rice. It's all up to you. But remember, you guys, it was great to be here today, as always. And remember, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if not, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you, every time I have a new video. And of course, my sidekick started school, so he's not here right now. He's in his room relaxing. But he will be back. And as always, you guys, au revoir, los quiero, I love you. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back with or without my sidekick. And I or we will see you then. Take good care. Bye-bye.